Welcome to Bolunar Adventures. In this video we're going to show how we finished off the back doors to our self-built camper van. For over a year they looked like this, and so we decided, as it happens, we're really happy with our back doors and how they came out. Loving the frisbee holder. But when we put this cork on, it was always our intention to put some rope around the edge just to neaten it up, because even though we cut it pretty close, it doesn't look that good on closer inspection. So what we're going to do is, we've got the rope and we're going to trim it all around the edge with some lovely natural rope. So this is what we got, this lovely jute rope. It's really natural looking. I've just dabbed a little bit of super glue on the end just to stop it fraying. So yeah, all I'm going to do now is open it up. I think this came off eBay. I can't actually remember now, we've had it for that long. We think that this is going to be just the job, just to trim it off, and I'll show you what it's going to look like now. Okay, so I have a few of these long pins, and the idea is that if I can put a line of adhesive up here, I've got some crazy fast setting adhesive sealant type stuff, and what I want to do is I want to put a bead of that across here and then push the rope up to it. But because I want it to be quite a snug fit, I don't want it to sag. The idea is that I will get one of these pins, or several of them as the case may be, and just pin it in place while the adhesive goes off, while the adhesive sets. But I don't know if it's going to work or not. That looks pretty good actually. I'm quite hopeful that it will work, but right, let's get some adhesive on there and see how we get on. The adhesive I've used before, but never this newer turbo version, so put a nice thick bead on, put plenty of pins in it, hoping it would hold it all in place. Okay, it seems to be working pretty well. I don't know why, but I thought this was going to be far more complicated or difficult than it was, but it actually worked out to be really simple, just using a thick bead and the pins, and yeah, it seemed to work well. Well, it seems to be working alright. I'm going to go outside the van now and carry on. You can get quite a nice close finish there. Need to watch out in this corner because it's come away a little bit. So yeah, it was a really straightforward process, just really took my time. Thick bead of the adhesive, plenty of pins on this first side that I did just to hold it all in place, and then just some kitchen scissors just to trim off the rope. Well, the adhesive seems to be holding really well. I mean, it's supposed to set in 15 minutes because it's the turbo version, and yeah, I mean, that seems to have gone on really nicely. Yeah, it seems to really be holding it really well. So yeah, it's looking pretty good, I think. Second side was even easier than the first. Used less pins, slightly bigger bead of adhesive, but nothing major in it really. And yeah, it just went on really easy. I was so surprised how well the adhesive gripped instantly, and how few pins I needed, and how well it all went on. Okay, that went on a lot easier than I thought it would. That adhesive worked really well. Fingers crossed, see how it is for longevity, but yeah, it went on really well. I only needed a few pins where gravity was holding it in place. Didn't need any at all, but put some around the edge just to hold it in place while the adhesive goes off. But yeah, I think that's going to look great.
A few moments later.
Pins, see one there. Yeah, they were just long enough to hold it in place while the adhesive went off, and like I say, the adhesive went off really quickly as well. So that's one side. Yeah, and then the other side, which has got the frisbee holder on it. Yeah, it looks great. Not too sure about the joins, but I think they look pretty good. They're not too obvious, hopefully, and yeah, really pleased with that. So that's one of the last jobs for the camper van interior finished off. We're really happy about the whole overall look of the camper van on the inside, and the rope trim around the cork just really gives it that natural finish that we were after. Just neatens it up as well, gets a really lovely finish. And on this side, the same thing really, the frisbee holder as well that we made out of just some scrap bits of leftover wood, just really give it that nice touch. And we love playing with the frisbee when we're out and about. So yeah, really happy with the overall look of it all, and it's just another job ticked off the list. So that's it now. The camper van's just about finished. Here it is from the inside. You can see how it just neatens it up, just gives it that lovely finish. And yeah, we're really happy with it. So if you like the content, then subscribe for more videos like this. We'll see you soon.